I think it's important because it's important to understand the importance of tuberculosis and also HIV infection in children, that we need to treat both diseases. For me, it's very important also because of multi-drug resistant tuberculosis, which is a great problem or a big problem in Ukraine. Also amongst children, because often it is not recognized because adults get MDR-TB, but children get disease from adults. So it's important for us to understand that if there's a child in contact with an adult with MDR-TB, the child will mainly get the same TB, the same kind of TB as the adult. So they will also get MDR-TB and they should be treated correctly. So it's important to address the adult issues, but it's also important to address the childhood tuberculosis correctly. And also in the context of HIV, which makes them even more vulnerable. Children are very vulnerable, we know that, for tuberculosis, and especially if they're very young. But with HIV, it's even increased. Yeah, we have a lot of clinical experience in South Africa, very similar to Ukraine. We have a high HIV rate in the Western Cape, where I come from. We have quite a high rate of multi-drug resistant tuberculosis, not as high as in Ukraine, but we have very, very high rates of tuberculosis. So we do see many children with MDR-TB, we do see many children with TB-HIV, and what we would like to come and do is share our experience and how we address issues in South Africa, and which could certainly be of help to the people from Ukraine. In South Africa, we have amongst the population that are pregnant, the pregnant women, the HIV rate is about 30%, even higher than in Ukraine. Our rate of tuberculosis is very, very high, probably of the highest in the world. It's about 1% of the population getting TB every year. So there's a strong relationship. Because of the high HIV rate, it makes adults and children more susceptible to tuberculosis. Because the immunity is broken down, they much easier will get tuberculosis. And the rate of HIV amongst the patients with tuberculosis in adults is about 50% or more. Amongst the children is coming down because of a good program for prevention of HIV in children by treating the mothers correctly. So we are seeing a decreasing rate of HIV amongst the TB patients in the children, but it's still very, very high in the adults.